In this video, helpful things to know coming up. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Christine with Where in the World is CL, and I make travel videos every week to begin up getting your travel. So if you like to travel, consider subscribing. And in today's video, a review and a tour of the Waldorf Orlando. Room's never as clean as when you first check in, but the rooms are super comfortable. Let's show what it looks like when we first checked in. The room, super comfy, kind of like an old modern classic design, but bed's really comfy and we loved staying here. The last time we were here we had an upgraded room, but this time still really beautiful. We're on the 11th floor and we had a king-size deluxe room. Don't miss grabbing drinks at Peacock Alley. They have a pianist that will play, so look for live music over there. Grab some drinks, and they also serve food there as well. But obviously, Bull and Bear is the spot you have to eat at. This property is beautiful, but not just that, you get kind of a 2-for-1. Right now I'm walking across from the Waldorf side to the Hilton side, because whether you're staying on this property or the other one, you both get to enjoy each other's properties. Translation, helpful thing to know is that if you're coming here before late 2023, you're gonna hear what we've been hearing this entire time, which is a lot of construction. They've got a full golf course on site, and Disney is the main park that they take you to, but if that's not up your alley and you wanna try something different, come to Gatorland with us. Check out that video. It was a really, really good time. Best part was?
Feeding the alligators.
It really was. It was fun. I love the pool at the Waldorf. It's really nice, and they have fire pits at night. They also have live music. They have a great pool bar, but it's a really nice, relaxing vibe compared to the Hilton side. This pool's a little bit more family friendly. Obviously you got more family staying at the Hilton, but it's also a little bit more of a vibe. So they'll have DJs, live DJs over here, and it's a little bit louder, it's just a little bit more fun. Plus they have a lazy river. By the way, if you're getting some value out of this video, cheers that like button, consider subscribing, and tell me in the comments below, when are you headed to Orlando and what are your plans? I'd love to know. All right, let's jump to the next one. Another thing you should consider doing is the spa. We did a couples massage the last time we were here, and it was a fantastic experience, so consider checking out their spa. And by the way, the last time we were here was in the month of September, and that is a totally different vibe than being here around the holidays. We're staying here right now at the end of December 2021, and whew, the Christmas and New Year's crowd is definitely here, and the property is very, very packed. So one helpful tip, make sure you're reserving everything in advance, whether that's your dinner reservations or your pool chairs. What an amazing stay. Tell me in the comments below if you're considering staying here. If you got some value out of this video, don't forget to cheers that like button, consider subscribing, and join me in my other Orlando videos. I'll see you over there. Ciao.